trash, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one.
Hi guys, it's Charlene. So, I don't have to say what's going on here. I am attempting to put on a wig. This will be my second time. The wig that you saw in Punta Cana, I put it on and it shows. Okay, I can agree. It shows. I am not a hairstylist by any means. That's not my ministry. But I said for 2024, I'm going to learn new things. This is ridiculous. You know, it's, what time is it? Almost 10 o'clock at night, almost 9:30 at night. I have a flight to San Juan, Puerto Rico in an hour. Yeah, about an hour or two. And I'm just looking at my meat meals and I'm just like, oh God, I have to put something on my head. I'm not wearing a headband wig. I'm going to someplace tropical. I'm heading back to Punta Cana for my 6-week tightening of my braces. So if I didn't tell you in the video before, I did get braces in Punta Cana and I'm going back for my 6th week, and I am going through San Juan, Puerto Rico, stopping there first, and then I'm moving on to Punta Cana for my appointment. And Lenny, that you met in the last vlog, hopefully she gets to show me around and I get to go on one of her boat tours and sunset cruises and yada yada yada. So I'm here trying to put on something decent so I can look halfway decent to go someplace. You know, I'm not staying very long. I'm just doing the weekend. But I mean, if I have someplace to go, I need to learn how to do these things. Guys, chime down in the comments below if you want to learn something new this year, this quarter, for the rest of 2024. I would love how to do my nails, I would love to learn how to do my nails, but I gave up that ministry. And I think I'm going to take this one on, and I'm not going to stop trying until I learn how to put on a wig like a stylist. I'm going to keep trying and doing it. So if you see me come on camera and my lace is white, don't say anything, okay? Don't say anything, because I am going to be trying. And I know, you know, however long YouTube lasts, when I go back to these videos, I'm going to be like, what the heck is going on? But ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to try. Not only does it save money, it just gives you an accomplishment to know that you can do something, you know? So that's what I'm doing. Guys, I think I'm going to flat iron it, try to straighten the part a little bit. I don't like baby hairs, so it's going to be very minimal. I'm going to get rid of some of these. I just like a natural hairline. And I'm going to keep trying, guys. And come on the journey of trying to get this hair done properly with me. It's going to take a few trial and error, but the curl is nice and that's what I wanted to wear, you know? So we're going to San Juan, Puerto Rico tonight, and then we're going on to Punta Cana. So, and to talk about these stops in Punta Cana going forward, if something eventful happens on these Punta Cana trips, I will definitely share it with you guys. But otherwise, unless you guys want to see it, let me know if you want to see me going to Punta Cana every 6 weeks to get these braces tightened. I mean, it's the same thing over and over. But let me know what you guys want to see. Chime in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for the love on the last video. 165 subscribers strong. And I'm grateful for it. I'm not a million, I'm not 100K, I'm not even a K. But I'm asking you guys to go ahead, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe below, like and share and comment. So let's go to San Juan, Puerto Rico. I think this is a 24-inch. I'm not sure if it's like, it's not wet and wavy. It's like a jerry pattern. That's what I noticed. This is like a jerry pattern, but it's so suitable for a beach vacation, right? I think it's suitable for a beach vacation. It's just flowy and nice. You see that curl pattern? I love it. It's beach, very vacation-y. And I love that. So enough of the jibber jabber. Let's head to the airport. Guys, I'm rushing. My gate is E4. I am rushing. Although I'm not staying for long, guys, I really like to buy a little trinket of what the country is known for. So Puerto Rico are known for frogs, which is coqui in Spanish. So I think I'm gonna get one of these or something that exhibits the frog. I mean, I don't want to be looking at frogs because it's not my favorite, but I think this one is very I think this is very sentimental and playful. It doesn't look like a real frog. So I think I'm gonna do this one. This set is so cute too. My mother would love that. Very cute.
Dirígete al destino Roque Plaza Comercial.
And I'm leaving on my way to the dentist office. I stopped at the bathroom to brush my teeth and to make sure my teeth are clean. So basically I'm in and out. Here it is, guys. I'm pink. Well, I am headed to the beach right now. I just finished with my dentist and my orthodontist, and we put in stronger, I guess, wires, and I feel it. So I'm gonna eat and then head to the beach to chill for the rest of the day. Follow me. So I'm heading to the beach now. I'm finished with the dentist. And I'm heading to a chill at the beach for the rest of the day. I didn't get to the last time, so this time, that's where I'm going. Guys, this is Los Corrales Beach. This is the closest beach to mostly everything. A lot of these apartments are Airbnbs on the beach. As you can hear, it's very quiet on a Saturday. The villas here, hotels along the beach, and so on. So we're just gonna be a beach bum today. Be a beach bum, relax. Even have sneakers on. You guys know I'm coming straight from the airport to the dentist to the beach, so my Airbnb is not ready as yet. It is being cleaned. So what better way than to spend it on the beach? You know, the last time I wasn't able to stay because they called me back to have my braces installed. So I went ahead and I took the opportunity. So now I can lay on the beach for the day. And you guys are coming with me. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I tell you, a lot of people are afraid of that ride. But to be honest, it's so peaceful up there. I would do it again. Not by myself, but I'll do it again. Oh my God. Thank you very much. Guys, we've made it to the beach with a suitcase and sneakers, but nevertheless, we're done at the dentist, if I didn't tell you guys before, and I'm under my cabana with my beach chair, and I'm just gonna relax. My niece used to say relax when she was little. I just want to relax, so that's what I'm doing. I'm under the umbrella relaxing in my Mexico t-shirt. Oh, this feels so good on a weekend after a long, hard week. Listen, nobody said I was a professional, okay? Just let it ride, just let it ride, just let me live. Just let me live. I'm learning little by little, I'll get there. But today, it's alright, right? It could go. But anyway, guys, I'm enjoying my time on the beach. Oh God. I don't even believe in horoscopes, but I am a true Aquarius. Like, water is my thing. If I can't have water, just okay. But guys, yeah, I'm just gonna lay here and relax. I have nothing on the schedule. I am hungry, so I'm gonna have to ask. Listen, I like convenience, so I'm just gonna ask one of these guys if like they could call one of their delivery guys, you know, like we do in Jamaica. And I saw the treacherous KFC. Hopefully Punta Cana has better KFC than Santo Domingo, because it was horrid in Santo Domingo. No flavor whatsoever. Guys, let me show you my view. Oh, they're enjoying themselves. You got parasailing over there. There's a party boat at 2:30. But I just want to chill right here and not do nothing. Look at that. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? Up there is so peaceful. Would I do it by myself? No. I did it with my cousin and it was great, but not doing it by myself, for sure. Nope. guys, this is my Airbnb. And when I say cute and quaint, cute and quaint. I could tell from the pictures that it was small, but that is okay with me. I'm really only here a couple of hours. I'm actually gonna take a nap and go on ahead and move into dinner tonight. So coming in is just this little foyer with a little kitchenette, nothing to boast. Of course, we're not cooking. And there's a little mini fridge there. There's a microwave, a hood to take out the smell. And when I say it smells clean, oh gosh, it smells clean in here. Here's a little desk that you can fold up and work if you need to. 2 little chairs, because on the outside, it's like a breezeway where you can chill and hang out. So that's good. Here is a little closet. Again, they utilized all that IKEA has. Everything looks like IKEA. It's clean, simple, quaint, white, and smells clean. A mirror right there. And then in the bathroom, okay, perfect. The price was awesome. Couldn't ask for a better price. And it's close to everything. Also, this looks like a 50-inch, so we're good there. Guys, I wet my hair a little bit, but this is what I'm wearing to dinner. The little baby doll. I have shorts underneath and my green bag, orange and green. That's what I'm wearing. That's what I bought. So we are headed to dinner. I actually met a villa chef. She's trying to promote her business. She is from New York. She moves here to promote her chef business. And so she invited me out to a restaurant. I said yes. So that's where we're going. And I'm Ubering there to hang out with them a little bit, because she actually has a food tasting that she wanted me to be a part of. She's shooting content for her food tasting to like promote her brand and everything. But I won't be here for it because I go home tomorrow. But that would have been cool. And I am headed to dinner in my orange and green. I don't know. I'm not feeling it, but that's what I have. That's what we're wearing. Later, guys. Come with me to dinner.
Mañana estaremos también con nuestra clase de bachata. Nuestra clase de bachata también, día domingo. Miércoles, sábado y domingo con clase de bachata. Sin fracaso, mamá, tú no tienes la culpa. De bachata, conmigo me lo dijiste. Canta conmigo. Que pasará muy bien, porque la vida existe. Amores con malicia. Oye, ¿cómo dice? Yo no quería enamorarme, yo no sabía que iba a ser así. Creyendo en ella no sé por ti. Sí, ay, mamá.
Gracias.
Ay, mi mamá. Me enamoré y yo no sé cómo fue. No. Quiero decirte, ay, que de ti. Lo que pasa es que te amo y perdí la razón. Tú que se has cambiado, dile que no soy malo. Lo que pasa es que te amo y perdí hubieron problemas de mi familia, por un poco tiempo desaparecí. Y aquellas palabras que yo decía, ahora me di cuenta que eran así. Oye, dime, ¿dónde están esos amigos que me decían que en las buenas y en las malas conmigo estarían?
I'm gonna take a Poppi. This is very popular here in Punta Cana. They're not allowed to drive on the road, but they definitely can drive on the side. So I'm about to take this Poppi home. Guys, I got 18 minutes on this. Pray for me. Oh my God. It's a mini golf cart. Such a cool way to transport through downtown Punta Cana. This is where all the restaurants are. Mascalito, the Jamaican restaurant, is actually this way. Guys, if this cart looked like it was going slow, it definitely was going slow. I was wondering, why does this cart feel so slow? And everybody that I've ever seen on this whizzes past me. Guys, this cart broke down in the middle of a resort, thank God, and it was not on a lonely road. I think he was a little bit embarrassed because it broke down, but I could have felt that something was wrong. Here goes Mascalito, the restaurant I showed you in the last video. But as you can see, guys, the cart is now slowing down. Here, I went to the nail shop the next day. Some of the locals told me where the best priced nail shop was, and I was so pleased with my manicure. I'm so sorry that you can't see it, but she was soaking my nails here, taking off the acrylic from my last nail visit, and just really taking care of me. And she did something like a Russian manicure. Let me tell you, that girl, I haven't felt my nails that clean, if you understand what I mean. You know, we're girls and we keep our nails clean. But as far as, you know, the dead skin and the cuticles and cutting everything off, when I was done, I felt really good. She did an awesome job. Her name is Rosa. And I think I'm going to show you the name of the salon there. So if you're ever in Punta Cana, look them up. They do bikini waxes. They do Dominican blowouts. And your hair is being dried as you're doing your nails. So it's not an all-day experience. 10 out of 10. I'm going to be doing it every time I go to Punta Cana unless they don't have an appointment. So my next trip there, I'm definitely getting a bikini wax and all the other things that us girlies need to do to upkeep ourselves. So, yeah, continue watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. No, just below the salon, there's a juice bar right here in the plaza. Decided to get a pineapple juice, which is my favorite. Very nice. These are the prices, 100 RD, I don't know, maybe 50 cents. So I'm ordering a juice to go because I'm headed to the airport. It's a Sunday. I bought something bigger than the liquid amount, so I'm gonna check my bag because TSA is probably gonna take it away. So let's check in. My Punta Cana, 1 down, 11 more to go. Empty here in immigration, easy breezy to go through security. I am super early. I wish I did a pedicure along with this manicure that I just got. Girl, ladies and gentlemen, she beat the brakes off of this manicure. It was so good. She took everything. She left nothing. I'm going back for sure. Bye. Beautiful, easy process, and we're on our way home. Guys, it was an amazing, smooth process coming through security. It's a Sunday, I guess, so it's really dead. The plane is 100, almost not full at all. So yeah, we're headed home, and it was a great weekend. Next month we'll do it all over again. You guys tell me if you like seeing me come to Punta Cana. I mean, this is normal stuff. I got a manicure today, which I love. So just let me know if you want to see more. Let me know. I'm loving this wig. I'm gonna be honest. It's wet and go. I just need to learn how to apply it properly. I video called my sister, and she said it was decent, a decent application. So I just want to know. I'm going to keep doing it, all kind of wigs I'm going to apply, because I have to learn. No matter what, I have to learn. So thank you guys for coming to Punta Cana with me, and I'll see you guys when I get back.